In this video, I'm going to show you how to cook food in Once Human. So this is actually very simple. The first thing you want to do is open up your inventory by pressing I on your keyboard and then going inside Memetics. Then click Memetics yet again, and then in here, you want to go over here where it says, where it's this third one, excuse me, and it says logistics, okay? And you want to unlock stoves first, which gives you access to a stove, and then you want to unlock dishes 1. Once you've done that, you want to close that down, and then you want to press B on your keyboard, right click, which will enter of course your building mode, and then you have to place down a stove, okay? So stove is this thing over here. As you can see, you can find it under facilities and production processing, and you have to place it down. It's quite cheap. As you can see, you need copper, gravel, charcoal, and metal scraps. And then once you've done that, I have it placed over here. As you can see, you want to open it up by pressing F on your keyboard, just like this. And then what you want to do is of course find the meat you're looking for, or the food you want to kind of cook. So meat is the easiest one. You can get it by killing animals. And what you then want to do is have some logs as well, which will be required to craft meat, and then of course kind of raw meat. And then you want to select how many of those meats you want to get, press F to craft, and that's literally it. You've successfully cooked food in Once Human. You can then simply, once that's done, click on it and it will be added to your inventory, and you can use it. As you can see, I have it on my hotkey 7 and water in 6, and that's pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.